Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to justify text in Adobe Photoshop, a technique that not only makes your designs look more polished, but also gives any layout a professional and balanced touch. Whether you're working on a flyer, a social media post, or even a digital resume, knowing how to properly justify your text will make a world of difference. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to shape blocks of text so they align perfectly, just like you see in magazines and websites. So let's get started. First up, open Photoshop. If you already have a project on the go, that's great, you can use that. Otherwise, just start with a blank document. Give it a second to load up, and don't worry if things look a little different depending on your version. The overall process is pretty much the same. Next, grab the text tool. You'll usually find this as a big T icon on your toolbar to the left. Click on it, then click anywhere on your canvas where you want your paragraph to go. Now you can paste your paragraph or type it straight in. If you're copying and pasting, make sure to grab the entire block of text you want justified. Sometimes when you paste, the text box might look pretty cramped or the words might overflow outside of your intended area. That's totally normal, and we'll fix it in the next step. Now take a moment to resize the text box so it fits neatly within the blank space you've set aside. Just click and drag the handles around the edges of the text box to stretch it or shrink it as needed. The key here is to create a container that matches your design. Think of it like framing a picture. If the box is too small, your text will run off the edge. If it's too big, you might end up with awkward gaps. Don't rush this part. Get it just right and your text will look much cleaner later. You might even nudge it around a bit to center it if that's your goal. Now comes a crucial difference in Photoshop compared to word processors. With your text selected, just click inside and drag across the words, or double-click the layer in your Layers palette, head to the top bar and click on Type. Here you're going to choose Convert to Paragraph Text. This step is important because initially Photoshop treats text as point text, which is great for single words or headings, but pretty limited if you want advanced formatting. By converting to paragraph text, you unlock more options, including justification. It's like giving your text box superpowers for layout control. Once you've converted to paragraph text, you're ready for the main event. Accessing the Justify function. To do this, look up at the menu bar once again and click Window. In the drop-down, select Paragraph. This will open up a new panel, usually on the right side of your screen. If you don't see it at first, don't worry, sometimes panels get hidden behind others. Just drag it out into the open. Inside the paragraph panel, you'll see several icons. Left align, center, right align, and 4 different justification options. Each justification icon has slightly different behavior. Some justify all lines except the last, some justify all including the last. But the key thing is that these let you control how your text flows from margin to margin. Justifying text means your words will fill the entire width of your box, lining up beautifully on both sides, just like a book or news article. Experiment with the different icons to see which looks best for your project. If you want your text to look crisp and uniform, the Justify All option is usually the right choice. If you only want particular alignment, you have left, center, and right options available as well, and that's it. Your paragraph is now neatly justified, and your design will look way more refined. Remember, it's normal to tweak your box size or font after justifying. Sometimes you'll want to make minor adjustments to get everything perfect. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or what kind of projects you're working on. Don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tips and design tutorials. Happy creating!